Prime Minister Narendra Modi releasing BJP's manifesto on Ambedkar Jayanti 5 days short of the first phase of polling on the 19th of April. As expected, the focus is on Modi ki guarantees. The 76-page manifesto is the foundation for Modi's Viksit Bharat by 2047 roadmap.
ऐसी सरकार जो देश को आर्थिक रूप से भी समृद्ध बनाए, ऐसी सरकार जो देश को विकसित भारत की तरफ तेज गति से ले जाए। आज आपने देखा है कि भाजपा का ये संकल्प पत्र, भाजपा का ये मैनिफेस्टो ऐसी ही एक सरकार की गारंटी देता है।
The party's manifesto Sankalp Patra, released 9 days after the Congress released its Nyay Patra. It shies away from promising financial doles and presents a roadmap for India for next decade. The Prime Minister said work on manifesto will begin immediately after results.
भाजपा के संकल्प पत्र पर 4 जून के नतीजे के बाद तुरंत तेजी से काम शुरू हो जाएगा। सरकार पहले ही 100 दिन के एक्शन प्लान पर काम करना प्रारंभ कर दिया है। देश के लोगों का एम्बिशन, देश के 140 करोड़ वासियों का अपना एम्बिशन, ये मोदी का मिशन है।
Some important promises made by the BJP this year includes making India a manufacturing hub, expanding Ayushman Bharat health insurance to all above 70 years of age and transgenders. It reiterates promises of Uniform Civil Code, Citizenship Amendment Act and doesn't mention NRC.
It's a very different kind of manifesto or Sankalp Patra. The 69 pages spell out both what has been done in the first 10 years and what is proposed to be done now. It is a vision document. It clearly sets out what we've done, what we propose to do.
The opposition has, however, lashed out at the government, calling the manifesto a maafinama, alleging the Prime Minister was changing goalposts.
किसानों की आमदनी डबल करूंगा, ये उन्होंने कहा था, वही गारंटी। और एमएसपी मैं बढ़ाऊंगा और एमएसपी को मैं लीगल स्टेटस दूंगा, ये कहा था, यही उसकी गारंटी। और अपने कार्यकाल में उन्होंने ऐसा कोई बड़ा काम नहीं किया जो सारे देश के जनता को, युवाओं को, किसानों को उससे लाभ हो।
When Modi promises something, we know that everybody in this country know that he is not going to do it, because earlier all his promises he has not done, he has not kept up. So Modi's promise will be a joke. That's all. But one thing, the one nation, one election is an attempt to thwart the unity in diversity, which is the pride of this country. What they are doing in Kashmir, they want to do in every state.
10 years on, from expanding welfare and infrastructure to reiterating a uniform civil code and one nation, one poll, the BJP manifesto signals continuity amid change, with Prime Minister Modi himself flagging what he termed as a mindset change from one of desperation under previous regimes to that of confidence under his government. With Vasudha Venugopal, Bureau Report, NDTV.
Now remember, Hoshangabad is in Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has, probably among the highest number of tribal voters, and he did make a mention of how the BJP in its manifesto makes a mention of 2025 being celebrated as Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. Now this is a huge outreach symbolically, politically to the ST community, which is not just politically important for the BJP, but also, it is a sign of how representative it is, and, it is also a sign of its outreach to deprived communities. Most importantly, in Hoshangabad, the Prime Minister also spoke about, this statement that Rahul Gandhi made in his Ramleela Maidan rally, in which the opposition had had come together to take on the BJP after the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal, in which Rahul Gandhi had said that, if the BJP comes to power, there will be changes made to the constitution and desh mein aag lag jayegi, then there'll be fire in the nation. The Prime Minister said that there'll be no fire in the country. In fact, the fire will be in the hearts of people who will sort of who will be very pained to see him come back to power for the third time. It's going to be a hat trick. So this is a statement of confidence similar to the kind of confidence that the Prime Minister reflected in the morning today while releasing the manifesto. And he also made an important point that the UPA government has been discriminatory largely towards the SC/ST communities, making the statement in Hoshangabad in Madhya Pradesh, which has a huge proportion of SC/ST voters, is of a lot of political importance.